Hi, Eugenia here, and welcome to my Amaze product review. So, what is Amaze all about? Amaze is actually a very interesting product that will allow you to create your online stores, add product to your stores, and also drive traffic to the stores that you just created. Amaze will allow you to add the different products to your stores. It will allow you to sell physical products as well as digital products. If this is something that's of interest to you, please continue watching my product review, and I'm also going to show you the demo of the product, and you will be able to see how it looks like and what it does, and see if you actually like it. Also, if anytime during this review, if you decided that you would like to purchase the product, please use the link down below this video and go ahead and purchase the product using this link. But before we actually go to the product review, I wanted to show you the bonuses that I put together for you and that you're going to be receiving if you decide to pick up the product using the link below the video. There's going to be 4 bonuses from me and I believe 5 bonuses from the vendor. So the first bonus from me is going to be free traffic frenzy. This is a little hack that's going to help you to drive even more traffic to your online stores that you're going to be creating. Bonus number 2 is going to be $100 per day with free traffic. So this is also about traffic as well. Bonus number 3 is going to be how to build a buyer's list. This is actually going to be pretty important for you if you're going to be selling digital products using Amaze. And bonus number 4 is going to be $0 to $100 in 24 hours. This is just a little small hack for you explaining how other people are making money online. And bonus number 5 is going to be all vendor bonuses. So let me go here to the sales page quickly and show you which bonuses you're going to be receiving from the vendor as well. So there's going to be, I believe, 5 bonuses. So bonus number 1 is going to be a 15K in just 7 days done for you package. Bonus number 2 is going to be the lazy passive profit method. Bonus number 3, 60-second sales. Number 4, the 1K a day formula. And number 5, the daily $401 payment system. So these 5 bonuses are the bonuses that vendor is going to be providing to you if you also decide to purchase the product using the link below this video. So right now, actually, let's go take a look at the sales page, see how it looks. So this is the sales page. It does say here in the headline, press 1 button to activate automated online stores that generate $70, $80, and even $500+ per day on autopilot. As you can see here, there is a sales video here, major benefits. In the benefits, it says somewhere right here it's 100% newbie friendly. And there is some information right here. This is the sales from the digital product, I can assume. And so there is basically some good information on the sales page. I'll let you look through it at your own time because, you know, there is quite a bit of information here. So to access the sales page, go to the link below this video. You're gonna go, this link goes to this bonus page that I created for you. And if you click on one of these orange buttons right here, you're gonna go, it's gonna take you to the sales page right here, and you will be able to look through all of this information. So what I just wanted to add to you is that look at the sales page and look at the sales numbers. But like it says here, you know, $70, $80 or $500 per day. So it actually depends, as far as I understand, on the amount of work you're ready to put into it. The more stores you create, the more money, of course, you're gonna receive. The more sales you're gonna get. So this is all on you. If you decide actually to purchase the product, base your purchase on the demonstration of the product. So actually right now let me put the demo video for you from the vendor, and then I will go ahead and show you actually also the dashboard for the product, and we're gonna go and take a look at the pricing for the product.
Guys, this is Amaze, a profit-making machine which lets you press one button to activate automated online stores that generate $70, $80, and even $500+ per day on autopilot. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor, so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do. Let me show you. Step 1. Activate your store in just a click. Amaze lets you activate a professional-looking, flexible, and easy to customize store in just a click with DFY templates included. You just simply need to add a name of your choice to identify your store and click on Build Store. And as you can see, it lets you do it in just a click. You will have your store up and running in just a sec and ready to be customized. You just need to log in and start customizing everything to your liking. Guys, we made customizing your store a total breeze. You will be able to pick the theme of your choice, customize top and footer menus, add pages, sliders, SEO, and a whole lot more, and be able to build a beautiful store just like this. And yes, guys, you will be able to set your custom domain the professional way without any delays. And we will walk you step by step how to do everything the easy way and without getting lost. Step 2. Add products to your store in less than a minute. Amaze lets you add hundreds of ready-to-profit physical, digital, or affiliate products in less than a minute and from any affiliate marketplace of your choice. Guys, this is a real professional yet simple-to-use store builder where you can manage your own products, but you don't have to deal with inventory or anything like that if you don't want to. This is because you can also add affiliate products to your store so you can avoid the inventory headache and enjoy only the commissions part of the selling process. Amaze lets you create physical and digital products you own, our physical and digital affiliate products one by one, but we have taken technology a step further so you can import a file with as many ready-to-sell products as you want in less than a minute and publish them all at once. And as you can see, it lets you do it in less than a minute. How cool is that? Step 3. Send free traffic in just a few clicks. Amaze lets you place your store in front of as many buyer eyes as you want in just a few clicks with a powerful traffic engine we have specially designed for this. Guys, we have designed a traffic generation app which is unique of its kind. This app lets you research among dozens, if not hundreds, of trendy images people are liking, so you can get inspiration to build your own trendy image related to the product you plan to promote. It lets you build your own image by using a really easy-to-handle image builder, and lets you create an instant free traffic generation campaign in Pinterest like no other app would ever do for you. And as you can see, guys, it lets you do it in just a few clicks. This thing is just terrific, guys. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There is lots more awesome stuff inside Amaze, but I can't show them all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training which will show you how to make money with Amaze the quick and easy way, step by step. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So, if you're looking to use a profit-making machine which lets you press one button to activate automated online stores that generate $70, $80, and even $500+ per day on autopilot, then try Amaze today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
So hopefully you enjoyed the demonstration video of the product and you understood how it actually is working. Right now let me actually show you. So this is the dashboard that you saw in the demo video. So right here you're gonna have some VIP training. For right now it actually has 4 videos that it's gonna explain to you, how to set up your store, how to customize your store, so give you a little bit more information. As far as I understand, the number of videos should be a little bit more here, so I think the vendor is in the process of adding more videos at the moment. Because I'm recording this review a little bit earlier, and the product is going to be launching tomorrow. Also here you can see there is a store builder tab where you put your stores here like you saw in the demonstration. And I believe the front end version is gonna have a limit of the stores. I'm not sure if it's gonna be 5 stores or more. Also, traffic engine tab is going to allow you to drive traffic to your stores that you just built using Pinterest. And here you will be able to upgrade to some other version, like for upsells. If you decide you want to do it, there is upgrades right here. I will explain to you later, and we will go through the pricing as well. And there is the support button right here. So as you can see, actually the dashboard is pretty basic, but when you go to a store builder, you saw that the dashboard is a little bit more advanced over there when you're going to be customizing your stores, and for traffic as well. There is going to be different dashboard for those two. So right now let's go and take a look at the pricing for the software. The front-end version that you saw in the demo video is going to be $17. It's a one-time charge, and it will include everything that you saw in the demo video, and it will have a limit on the number of stores. I'm not sure if it's going to be 5 stores or more. But I would say get a front-end version and create as many stores as you will be able to create, and then if you decide that you need more and you want to do more, then you can always upgrade to unlimited. This is upgrade number 1. It's going to be $39 one-time charge, and it will allow you to build unlimited stores and run unlimited traffic campaigns as well. Also there's going to be a few more upgrades. You can see here it's going to be done for you. Upgrade number 1 is going to be $197. In this upgrade, the team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for your customers. Then upgrade number 3 is going to be automations, $39. Your customers will be able to activate all the automation tools with Amaze. Then upgrade number 4 is going to be done for your store, $197. The vendors are going to do the store especially for you. So upgrade number 5 is going to be 1K paydays, is $39. As far as I understand, they're going to be providing all the traffic you'll need for your stores. And this is also going to be a monetization upgrade. So basically how to convert your traffic into sales. Upgrade number 6 is going to be a reseller for $39. So you'll be able just to resell these product. And upgrade number 7 is going to be bundles for $39. You will get access to 4 incredible apps for one-time low price. But again, all of these upgrades are optional if you decide just to go with the front-end version for now, and then decide if you like the software and you like to upgrade to others, all of these upgrades or some of these upgrades. It's up to you. But other than that, this is all for this review. So this is how the dashboard is going to look. In my opinion, this is a great way for you, to try if this is something you would like to do, and if this is something that you like doing, if what you like doing more like selling digital products, or if you'd like to sell physical products, you can try and test and see what's working best for you and how you can make this software work for you so that it actually gives you the revenues that you expect. this is basically it for this product. If you like this review, please give me a like, it really helps my channel. Otherwise, if you decided that you like this product, please use the link down below this video to purchase it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.